I have a nice exponential equation. Let's solve this. So what I'm going to do is, every time I have 4 to the power of x, 4 to the power of x, 4 raised to x, 4 raised to x here. So I'm going to take it out common. 4 to the power of x. So what is left with me? 4 to the power of x divided by 4 to the power of x, 1. This divided by this, again 1. This divided by this, 1. And again 1 is equal to 1024. And that's equal to 4 to the power of x times 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. That's 4 is equal to 1024. And what's the power here? That's 1. So whenever you have something like this, a to the power of m times a to the power of n, what do? You have same base and this multiplication. You add the powers m plus n, right? So we're going to do that. 4 to the power of x plus 1 is equal to, what's 1024? That's 2 to the power of 10. When you multiply 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, that is 10 times, you get 1024. Now 4 can be written as 2 squared. Then you have x plus 1 is equal to 2 to the power of 10. Now when bases are same, this equal to between them, you can equate the powers. 2 times x plus 1 is equal to 10. Now just divide both sides by 2 to eliminate this 2. So you get x plus 1 is equal to 10 divided by 2 is 5. Now subtract both sides by 1. Plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled. So you're left with x is equal to 5 minus 1 is 4. And that's your answer.